Hello, I'm Rabbi Elton from the Great Synagogue in Sydney, and this is Ask the Rabbi. Today I'm going to answer 3 related questions connected to Pesach, the forthcoming festival of Passover. The first is, do you have to clean books that you know you've not been reading while you were eating in preparation for Passover to make sure there's no chametz, no leaven in them? The second is, do you need to make sure that your cleaning products for Pesach have no leaven, no chametz in them? And the third is whether it's in order to sell or buy or eat non-chametz products which look like they are in fact leaven or risen, such as fake rolls or cakes which look like they are proper chametz leaven cakes, but in fact are made with potato flour or matzah meal or the like. There's a general principle when it comes to Pesach that we only have to worry about items which are edible, or at any rate edible by a dog. If an item is not edible even by a dog, then it's not classed as food in any sense and therefore cannot be chametz. And therefore cleaning products which are not only inedible by dogs, but in fact dangerous for them or anyone else to eat, cannot be chametz. And therefore, if you have a cleaning product, even if it contains chametz, but it is totally inedible and perhaps even dangerous even for an animal, then there's no problem with using it at all. If there was some sort of cleaning product which you could actually eat or drink and was also used for cleaning, then it'd be problematic and you couldn't use such cleaning products. A second principle about Pesach cleaning is that you only need to go into places where you have a fairly good idea that chametz may have reached. If there are areas of your house where food is never ever brought, or there are books which you never ever read while eating a sandwich or eating a cake, and you know therefore there's no chance, in a realistic sense, that chametz could have reached there, there is no need to check in such a place. The Mishnah, the foundational text of Rabbinic Judaism, in fact addresses such a scenario and says perhaps a weasel may have brought a piece of chametz into your house in a place you didn't realize, and therefore you have to check the whole house whether you brought chametz there yourself or not. And the Mishnah answers, no, that's not the case, because a weasel could end up bringing a sandwich or a piece of cake from house to house or city to city or country to country. Ein davasov, there's no end to the matter. We would drive ourselves absolutely mad if we ended up looking everywhere, even places where we know we never brought chametz at all. And therefore, if you have a reasonable understanding and a realistic idea that no chametz has been brought, there is no need to search in such places. People often conflate Pesach cleaning with spring cleaning, and they're quite different. In spring cleaning we get rid of dirt, and that's important of course, but in Pesach cleaning we're only interested in getting rid of chametz, only interested in getting rid of leaven. Now what about these items, these delicious looking cakes or rolls made from potato flour or the like, which look like chametz but in fact are not? Should they be eaten on Pesach? Well, there's no prohibition involved in eating such items. No one has broken a law or a rule against eating chametz by having a fake roll or a fake piece of cake. But each person has to decide for themselves what is in keeping with the spirit of the festival. In some sense, we should enjoy ourselves on a Yom Tov. They are designed for our enjoyment, our pleasure, to celebrate the deliverance of the Israelites from Egypt, but that can't go so far that we forget the entire purpose and symbolism of the festival. And so each person needs to make their own judgment in their own way that they enjoy the festival, they enjoy Pesach, but don't do so in a way which undermines the symbolism and the ideas which it represents. Thanks for joining.